Yes, good morning YouTubers. You can see I'm gonna do some chicken foot and some chicken, but mostly chicken foot. I'm gonna curry it. So this is the way Aunty Clair do his chicken foot. I have garlic, lots of garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, and a scotchy. I cut up some of the pepper in there already. This is my season, my curry, garlic powder. My season from Jamaica, you can see, and this is to the bone. I have in here all cooked down. This is my season. So I have my curry, right, and I have my to the bone and jerk season. Now I'm about to put some in there. You can see the jerk going in there. Yes, yes, yes. I am changing the color of it now. Yeah. This is my ginger powder. Lots of ginger powder. I use lots of ginger in curry. So you all can see what I'm doing. This now, look at my curry. My Jamaican curry, I put in the bottle with some butter pack. Right? So look at it now. The color is so changing. Right? So this is the way I do it. And I put a little black pepper in there. You know you want a little black pepper in the curry. Right? Little bit. So now I'm gonna put in my thyme. The thyme, you can see. Look at it now. I also put in my scallion, onion, garlic, lots of garlic, and I am about to marinate it up now. You can look at it. Look at the color now. Oh gosh, look at it. People, like, share, subscribe to the channel, Aunty Clair Jamaican cooking channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe please, and thank you. Aunty Clair way of cooking it. Chicken foot, lots of chicken foot. You never see me do this one, curry chicken foot. So I'm doing it up now. Lots of chicken foot, yes, but some don't eat it, so I just put a few pieces of chicken in it. So look at it now. Beautiful. Ain't the color beautiful? Lots of pepper, onion, and so just like it, share and subscribe to the channel. Run come Aunty Clair way of cooking. Ding 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 ding. You have to eat it. When you eat it, it's delicious. Please and thank you very much. Out we go. Yeah? Like it. Also I'm cooking some soup. Chicken soup. Look at it bubbling it away. Look at the chicken soup. So rich. Lots of chicken put in there and chicken foot with corn, everything you can see in it. That's the way I do my thing. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Aunty Clair, big up.